Hello creators, this is Sabby and I welcome you to the Republic of Creators, an ecosystem of resources to help you master YouTube and online video. Now the other day, I had the opportunity to talk with Max Miller with TastingHistory YouTube channel. If you don't know who Max is, well you should, because he's somebody that gained over 250,000 subscribers with just 25 videos. Yes, you heard it right, 250,000 subscribers with 25 videos. Now in this video, I asked him about his content strategy and how he grew to that many subscribers, just that many videos. We learned how he had no strategy, but he did one thing right. Now, this is a clip from our podcast interview, and the full episode is available both in audio and video. Links to both will be in the description box below. Also, after you watch this video, I invite you to join the Republic. Take advantage of all the resources we have. Most importantly, join our meetup group where hundreds of video creators from all over the world meet every month to share best practices, grow their tribe, because at Republic of Creators, we truly believe together we learn, united we create. Now let's go and watch this video clip. 245,000 subscribers with less than 30 videos. I want to understand a little bit better. How did you come up with your content strategy so far? What is your video creation process, and what's the next go-to strategy for you from here?
Yeah. Gosh, I wish I could say that there was a great deal of strategy, but there wasn't. It was,
we all want that.
yeah, a lot of the strategy is kind of hindsight strategy, saying, oh, I did this correctly, but I didn't know I was doing it correctly at the time. I think, honestly, one of my biggest strategies, or the thing that I did right, was to completely prepare before putting even that first video out on YouTube. I watched, hours and hours and hours of other YouTubers talking about the setup, the camera, lights, editing, story, how long videos should be for the type of content I wanted to create. I've also worked with, I'm not an editor by trade, but I've worked with a lot of editors in the film business, so just getting to see their process, I got a lot about timing and everything in there. And then shortly after I started the channel, I took a 30-day online course from video creators, and that really, really helped me because it kind of broke down. Since I was now in it about 6 weeks, it breaks down the process of what you're doing, of what to make, thumbnails, titles, everything like that. And since I was doing it, I actually knew how to apply what I learned there a little bit better. And basically, it's not an ad for their service, but after I finished, that next week is when the next video I made is the one that blew up. So.
Right. And when you said video creators, it's the course by Tim Schmoyer, is that right?
Yeah, Tim Schmoyer. Yeah. And it's just the online course. Yeah.
To Tim Schmoyer, I think he's helped me quite a lot. I've never taken coaching from him directly, but obviously all the thousands and thousands of hours of content that he puts on to help people like yourself and me, that's amazing. So thank you. And again, we're doing the same thing as well. We're just helping, people forward. So any one of you that's listening to this, that's watching this video on YouTube, we also have a podcast. You can watch the whole episode, the full episode on podcast. Just search for Republic of Creators on any of your favorite audio platforms and you will find us there.